Alright guys, so today I'm gonna change the gearbox oil on the F70 Yamaha. It's very simple. So all you need is the Yamaha gearbox oil. I use this one. You can use another one, but these are the specs. API GL4 SAE 90. It comes with this to make it easier, so you just stick it in. I'll show you in a second. Flat screwdriver. You might need a little bit of force to open. If you don't have this system, just use a locking plier. There's one bolt here and one bolt there. So first we're gonna take the bottom one. Oh, bit of a mess there. Doesn't even have the washer. I'm gonna try to get one. It's supposed to have a washer like this. You should put really new ones when you every time you do this. But to be honest, it does last. It's a little bit shorter than the bottom one. Still feels decent, to be honest. When you have a whitish color oil, then it means that water is coming in. And when you clean your bolts, pay attention because they are magnetic ones, so they grab any leftover metals and stuff that are coming out of the gearbox. Basically just open this, take the cap off and put that funnel. What this does is when you stick it in, it blocks when it gets to the end. So just stick it in and start filling up. It takes a liter and a little bit. I can hear already, it's coming out. Now with the top one is closed, see almost nothing comes out. Now to tighten it, you don't need that too much force, to be honest. You just need to a little bit. Okay, that's it. Same with the bottom one. And don't forget to tighten them, otherwise you're gonna have a surprise. Yeah, perfect. Double check. Yeah, double check. Yeah. Now just give it a bit of a clean. Because this one will go to the water and we don't want too much mess. Okay, that's it guys. Gearbox oil service changed. Just check, take the covers off and check if everything's okay. If you see a bit of salt, try cleaning it. But they look decent. So I'll do the oil service soon as well. So okay, cheers guys. Sha la la la, sha la la la, sha la